This video provides instructions for installing the Trex RainEscape system when there is flashing against the house. If the house does not have flashing, please view the video on installing without flashing. In this video, the flashing on the house is 3" by 3" L flashing. This type of flashing goes 3 inches upward behind the wall and 3 inches out over the ledger board and over part of the joist. To install the Trex RainEscape system, the first critical step is to slide the trough beneath the flashing but on top of the ledger board. The trough will be inserted at least 3 inches between the flashing and the ledger board. Carefully make sure that the trough material is not hitting the face of the ledger board but is sitting on top of the ledger board. Once the edge of the trough is in place beneath the flashing, install the trough over the joists, stapling from side to side of each bay. Refer to the trough installation instructions video. When the trough is installed, add a bead of the Trex RainEscape caulk to seal underneath the flashing material. The caulk should be applied beneath the flashing all the way across the deck. Apply the 4-inch Trex RainEscape butyl tape covering 2 inches on top of the trough and 2 inches on top of the flashing to make a watertight seal. This prevents heavy rainfall from leaking into the house foundation beneath the flashing.